Okay, today let's briefly demonstrate the new version of the UI. First, we have updated both dark mode and light mode features to enhance your overall visual experience. You can switch between them effortlessly by using the control center or by accessing this dedicated settings page. In this latest version, the structure of the database forms has been modified, so you will need to re-add your devices accordingly. In the list section, we've added a pause state. You can exit streaming by clicking the top right corner. Once you have entered the streaming page, a menu option pop-up will automatically appear on your screen, allowing you to easily switch between some quick menus within the interface as needed. In the list page, there's an option to switch IP addresses. Here, all the IPs you've previously added are listed. You can manually switch in the settings page, which has been briefly integrated and optimized. Also, this version's USB driver will support controller brands. If your brand is not currently listed, you have the option to check the Ignore Brand Verification feature, which may prove more effective. Another option is that when you connect an external mouse, your screen may shift upward. We've added an option for that. The streaming page's pop-up has been redesigned. It includes some commonly used functions. At the top, there's a display for the date and battery level. You can take a look. That's all for this issue. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.